Hi, you are invited on a tour of our virtual showroom. First, you need to choose your language. I chose English. Go to the reception. You can look around and see those white shining circles. That's where you can go. Let's go to see the first chair. Click on it. You can choose the material and wait for 3D models. On the top left, you can also choose color. I chose red, just to try. You can zoom it and see the material, the quality. You can flip it around. And on the right side, you have AR mode. You can also check this option. If you want to buy the chair, click on Cart on the top right and go directly to the store.